Choosing the perfect light paint color can make your living room feel bigger, brighter, and more elegant. In 2025, soft and airy shades are trending, offering a blend of modern sophistication and timeless charm. In this video, we'll explore 100 stunning light colors to help you create a stylish and inviting space. Let us begin. 1. Classic neutrals for a timeless look. Neutrals never go out of style, making them a top choice for modern and traditional living rooms. Shades like warm beige, soft taupe, and creamy ivory create a cozy yet elegant ambience. These colors blend seamlessly with wood, stone, and metallic accents, making them highly versatile. Whether your decor is minimalist or luxurious, neutrals provide a warm and sophisticated backdrop. Pair them with textured fabrics and natural elements for a chic look. 2. Soft whites for an airy feel. White is the ultimate color for creating a bright, spacious, and luxurious living room. Shades like Swiss coffee, pure snow, and eggshell white reflect light beautifully, making small spaces feel bigger. White walls work perfectly with modern, boho, and Scandinavian decor. To avoid a clinical look, pair white walls with wooden furniture, woven textures, and soft lighting. This timeless choice keeps your space fresh and inviting. 3. Light grays for a contemporary touch. Gray tones are perfect for a modern, understated, and elegant living room. Shades like silver mist, whisper gray, and classic pewter offer a cool, calming effect while maintaining warmth. Light grays pair beautifully with black accents, marble textures, and plush fabrics. They work well in both industrial and minimalistic designs. A touch of gold or warm wood can balance the coolness of gray and add depth to the space. 4. Pale blues for a tranquil space. Soft blues bring a calming and refreshing touch to any living room. Popular shades like sky breeze, misty blue, and ocean haze create a sense of openness and relaxation. They pair beautifully with white trim, beige accents, and wooden elements for a beachy vibe. Light blues work well in coastal, modern, and Scandinavian interiors. Adding woven textures, sheer curtains, and soft lighting enhances the serene atmosphere. 5. Soft greens for a natural vibe. Green is the color of nature, bringing a fresh and earthy feel to your home. Trending shades like sage whisper, mint frost, and olive haze work well with neutral decor, wooden furniture, and indoor plants. Light greens create a soft, organic ambience that's perfect for relaxation. These shades pair beautifully with warm whites and gold accents. If you love a nature-inspired look, soft greens are a must-try in 2025. 6. Blush and peach for a warm glow. For a touch of warmth and elegance, try soft blush or peach hues. Shades like rose quartz, sunset peach, and powder blush add a subtle feminine charm without being overpowering. These colors work well with neutral decor, gold accents, and soft lighting. They create a warm, inviting atmosphere perfect for cozy gatherings. Pair them with velvet cushions and sheer curtains for an ultra-chic look. 7. Warm yellows for a cheerful look. Soft yellow tones bring sunshine and warmth into any living space. Trending shades like buttercream, lemon mist, and sunbeam glow create a light, airy ambience. These colors pair beautifully with white and gray furnishings, natural woods, and soft textures. Yellow is perfect for small spaces, making them feel bigger and brighter. To balance the warmth, add cool-toned accents or greenery. 8. Lavender and lilac for a soft elegance. Lavender and lilac shades add a subtle, romantic touch to your living room. Trending hues like lilac mist, soft plum, and violet whisper create a dreamy, luxurious aesthetic. These colors pair well with silver accents, light wood, and minimalist decor. Soft purples bring a sense of calm and creativity to your space. If you want a modern yet elegant feel, try incorporating lavender tones in 2025. And there you have it, 100 stunning light color paints to transform your living room in 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. See you in the next video.